Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is Tiffany. I love sharing music, lifestyle, and faith-filled content. Today I'm doing a review on Typology. I've seen this product multiple times online, and a few years ago I actually bought some of their products. This time I went ahead and bought quite a few more to add to my collection, and I want to do a quick review on them. Okay, so let's start with what is Typology. Typology is a French beauty, and they're known for using really clean ingredients in their products. They're all about simplicity within their skincare and makeup. On their website, it says they comply with European regulations for cosmetics, which ban over 1,300 ingredients that are considered dangerous or toxic. They go even further. They reject a lot of ingredients that are legally authorized. So I absolutely love that. All clean ingredients, nothing that's toxic for your body. I really like to use them for my day-to-day makeup routine when I'm trying to just go out and about and look kind of fresh. They'll be put together but not have like a ton of makeup on. 3 reasons why I decided I wanted to use this product. 1, it's such clean ingredients, you don't have to worry about what's in it. You can trust that they're using clean items, things that are good for your skin. 2, for my day-to-day look, I used to always wear a ton of makeup, and every now and then, obviously for special occasions, love to do that. I love makeup, love it. But for the day-to-day, sometimes just something simple is more than enough. So I love the simplicity of the makeup. And 3rd, I've noticed as I'm getting older, just makeup just doesn't apply as great as it used to. I really appreciate how this looks on my skin. So here we are, clean face, ready to go. I ended up purchasing type 3 medium because before I had type 4 tan, and that was just a little too dark for my skin. It's actually a pretty good tone for summertime, but for now, this one seems to work better. Cool thing about this product is that it's silicone free and it gives you like a very natural finished look. It also has vitamin C, squalene, and aloe vera, so it's supposed to be super nourishing for your skin. You could either use your hands or a brush, depending on what you like. Next, we have our bronzing drops. These are good to either mix with the moisturizer or the tinted serum, and it gives just like a nice golden hue. I ended up putting it on top of the serum just so that you can see what it looks like. This also has aloe vera and vitamin C. Next up, we have our concealer. Now, this is my favorite concealer. This is also in the shade Type 3 Medium, and it's really cool because it has medium to high coverage, so you can build it up. I ended up having to add a little extra just because my dark circles are pretty prominent. Here we have our glow drops. Again, you can mix it with moisturizer or with the tinted serum. And again, it also has vitamin C and aloe vera. Don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. For fun, I bought 2 lip oils, one in powder pink and one in luminous glow, which is a limited edition. It has squalene, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. Finish up with some mascara and some blush. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this will maybe encourage you to try out their products if you're thinking about it. I love them for my day-to-day look. If you've tried these products, let me know in the comments below. I really would love to hear what you guys have to say about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon. Bye.